Hey friends, if you wish to shut down your computer without updating it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. You will have to delete the contents of the software distribution folder for it. I have a script for you. I've shared the script in the description section of the video. In this script, first of all, we will have to shut down services associated with Windows Update, then delete the software distribution folder and then restart those services. So we'll perform this first and then I'll explain how it works. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay. Now I'll tell you what this does. This will delete the kind of cache and memory of Windows updates, and then you will be able to shut down or restart your computer without the update going through. And the second option is obviously to force your system into shutting down. How? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Now after this, you can click on change plan settings, and then there will be an option to shut down the computer. Wait, we'll go to choose what the power buttons do. What happens when I push the power button? Shut down. Okay, and do the same thing for the plugged in mode. Click on save changes and hard press the power button on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.